Dripping clothes, skirts ring, let it show. Palm trees in the night, we move slow. Side to side, you know. Heel tap on the floor. Your smile got the room, 1 in 1, dance more. Hold that waist, don't rush now. Feel the bass, come down. Spin that frame, make them stare. When you lean, I'm already there. Dance floor, dance floor. Turn it up, dance floor, dance floor, dance floor. Baby on that dance floor, wine so nice, break that line. Dance floor, take your time. Fresh white tee, clean fit, you can dress to kill. Gold on your wrist, but your eyes got skill. When the drum hit low, you switch that pace. Whole place light up when you catch that wave. Feel that waist, don't rush now. Feel the bass, come down. Spin that frame, make them stare. When you lean, I'm already there. Dance floor, turn it up. Dance floor, dance.
Do you see the power of AI? If I tell you that AI created this music, I'm sure you won't believe. There's this AI tool called MusicCreator AI. It's a new AI tool that I just discovered, and to be honest with you, this is the first music I created with it, and I love it. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I really like it. In fact, it makes a lot of sense. What I just did was just a prompt I used to create it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my system now and show you how I do this. So let's go. So as it is now, it's very simple. What I did was to come here to describe what I want to do. So the name of the AI tool is MusicCreator.ai. I will leave the link in the description below so that you can get it. So what I want to do, let's say you don't have any lyrics you want to use, anything. You can just type in, you can just describe what you want to do, or you have your own lyrics. You can just paste your lyrics here, and the AI is going to generate it for you. So this is just a brief video on this. If you want me to create a well-detailed video on this AI tool, comment full video in the comment section, and I'm going to create a full video whereby I'll study the platform very well and I will drop the video for you guys. So let's say I want to create an amapiano music. So I don't have any lyrics, I don't know anything I want to do. I'll just type create amapiano song titled, then let's see, okay, let me use title TGIF. Now in the bracket, thank God it's Friday. So now the AI is going to generate it for me. That's the same thing I did earlier. So what I'm going to do, you can select anything you want to select, but I'm going to select anything. I'm just going to click on generate. So there are a lot of options you can select from, as you can see. Gen, hip hop, all this. So you can select everything. So see Afrobeat here, pop, everything, reggae, hip hop. So you see everything you want to select here. So now I don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do is just to click on, maybe I'll just select Afrobeat for instance. Let me just like dance, or let me use dance for instance. So now I'm going to click on generate here. See, generate music. So it's going to generate the music for you. It's going to take a while. So but what I'm going to do is that I'm going to pause this video, then play it back so that the music will have generated. So our music has been generated. So now let's listen to it.
Clock out and gone. Monday left me dry. Boss man called twice. I was looking at the sky. Now my phone on me. Got plans on ice. I'm stepping out clean in my fresh white Nikes. Get that number now, feet start to talk. One more step and the whole room rocks. I've been waiting all week for this sweet release. Tell the whole crew we don't leave in peace. TGIG, TGIG. Thank God it's Friday. TGIG, TGIG. We outside all day. Hands up high. Let the worries fade. TGIG, TGIG. We came to play. Short and long road, but I made it through. Hot sun, cold bills till I I kept my cool.
Did you see the power of AI? Like, there's a mistake in the spelling. TGIF is supposed to be so, but as you can see, you see what is dishing out. This is the power of AI. If you want to get this, just click on the link in the description. You'll be able to access the tool. You want to also create a full video where I'm going to show you how you use this tool very well. A well-edited video, comment full video in the comment section, and I'm going to create the video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel.